And welcome back to the channel. We're doing some more trout fishing. I know all I've been doing is trout fishing lately. We're gonna get on some bass soon, I promise. I've just been addicted to these trout, and I know once it gets to probably the end of May, I'm done trout fishing. I'll be strictly doing bass fishing. So I'm just trying to hit it as hard as I can for the time I got. Then we'll be doing nothing but bass fishing. We still got a little faster current, so we'll just add more weight in, adjust as need be. And yeah, we'll catch you on the water. All right, and we're rolling. I'm actually hyped to be out here. The last 2-3 days were like way too muddy. I mean, nothing's too muddy to fish, but way too muddy for my liking to fish. Now the water clarity's looking half decent, so I'm back happy again. Water is still high, still moving somewhat fast, but trust me, I'll take this any day over what these last 2-3 days look like. We got a good hour, no, actually a good 2 hours to fish before I head to work. So yeah, hope we get some luck. Trying to just catch any fish that are up here feeding on this drift at the end of this current riffle. And we'll give that a little bit. We may switch it up and then head down to these slower pockets, or I may just work this bait down to these slower pockets and then come back up and switch it up. It all depends. And if we don't get no luck at this spot, we'll move a little. Oh, I think I just missed one. Got one as I'm talking about moving. I was gonna say, if we don't have any luck at this spot, we'll move a little further down the stream, but we can actually stay here for a little bit, I guess. Uh-oh, don't come off, don't come off. Good. I'm sitting here. Oh yeah, if we don't have any luck down here, we'll move. And then we catch one. A little small one, but you're always appreciated. Uh-oh, don't drop me. Don't drop me. Don't drop it. A little small one, but they're always appreciated. Bye-bye. Thanks for keeping me at this spot, because I was already contemplating moving for who knows why. Let's get back at it. All right, so that was only what, 10 minutes in, maybe max. Let me see, I've been recording for 8 minutes, so first fish in 8 minutes, that's not bad at all. I'll take that any day. Actually, we'll hit this other spot first and then change up the bait. Coming back down. But yeah, fishing has died down 100%. I got my first bite within 8 minutes of being on the water, caught one fish, and now it's been maybe an hour and I haven't caught anything or even had a bite. I have been moving around a lot trying to find places out of these faster currents. So we're going to give this about like one more try. This is where I caught the first one at. It's a little slower ripples between currents where the fish can kind of sit in the calm water and wait for bait fish and stuff like that to come off. So yeah, and then if I get no more luck down here, we're gonna move further up the creek and give that a good 30 minutes, and then we'll get out of here. Oh, this water's cold. My feet are so cold now. Come on, just give me one more. I'm gonna touch that water again. It's freezing. Oh. Got one, baby. Let's go, baby. I caught it. What is this? Oh, it was like really hooked. I'm like, what is this? Come on, calm down. Calm down, man. Let's go, baby. Why when I asked for it? Dude, you gotta talk to these fish, man. Oh God. Well. Oh, got it right back. Okay. Whatever, I'll take that. Okay. Okay, we're gonna get this boy released. Proper release. Off he goes. So we're here at the last spot. Water's looking pretty good, but moving pretty fast. Like I said, we're only gonna be here 15 minutes max anyway. So we'll see. All right, so forgot to record my intro on the water, but we caught 2 fish today. Not the best fishing, but we only fished maybe 2 hours. Like I said, I need to start waking up earlier so I can get longer time fishing and more of a head start on fishing. Afternoon fishing always ain't that great. Usually the morning or right before sunset. It's usually the best time to be out on the water. For some reason, I always end up being so late. But yeah, like I said, this may be my last trout fishing video, at least like for this recent time period. And I'm gonna start getting into bass fishing. I'm gonna start putting the John boat out and start doing some bank fishing. Yeah, so other than that, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Stay tuned. Every Friday, mark my words, I'm releasing the video. And sometimes we'll try and get some out more than just every Friday. It depends on how my week goes. I am working full-time, 40+ hours a week. So however my week goes, I'll decide. But every Friday at least we will have a video. Stay tuned. See you next Friday.